So it's day 2 of our 10-day wellness habit series, guys, where each day I'm sharing 2 wellness habits, one good recipe, and one powerful superfoods. Hello, this is Rashmi, a certified holistic health coach. Welcome to my world of wellness. I'm so happy that you are here. Today I'm sharing a healthy namkeen snack recipe that's not just delicious but also made with clean, wholesome ingredients. You don't have to rely on store-bought snacks, guys. They're full of preservatives, hidden sugars, and toxins. This one's homemade, gut-friendly, and packed with nutrition, the perfect guilt-free crunch for your wellness journey. I hope you're gonna stay till end and do try this recipe, guys. So today, day 2 of our 10-day wellness. Habit number 1, sit while drinking water. Ayurveda recommends always sitting while sipping water or any liquid. It supports digestion, joint health, and balances your body's energy flow. Because, guys, when you drink while standing, your body stays in a state of motion and the water rushes down quickly, which may cause stress to the joints, knees, and even disrupt digestion. It can also lead to poor absorption, bloating, and even kidney strain over time. Sitting allows your body to relax, activate the parasympathetic nervous system, and support proper hydration at a cellular level. So, next time, take a pause, sit down, and drink with intention. Okay, so wellness habit 2, mindful eating. Now let's talk about how we eat. Instead of eating in front of a screen or while rushing, take a moment to smell your food, chew slowly, and really experience the taste. Mindful eating helps improve digestion, reduce overeating, enhance gut brain connection, and bring more joy to your meals. Smelling your food before you eat actually activates your digestive enzymes, prepare your body to absorb nutrition better, and so be present with your plate. Your gut will thank you, guys. So here I'm making gut friendly recipe, which is a healthy namkeen snack today. So it's very easy. You just have to roast all the whatever ingredient you are using. Here I'm roasting almonds, cashews, and some walnuts. They are packed with power packed ingredients, guys. And as you all know, almonds, they are high in vitamin E, great source of plant-based protein, healthy fats, supports stable energy. It always provides good energy. It's prebiotic rich, and sesame seeds. Usually, it's very delicate, so I'm roasting it separately with coconut. They are packed with calcium, copper, iron, and healthy fats. Really good for menopausal women. Very high in calcium, promotes hormonal balance and bone strength. Good for digestion, and also contain lignans and antioxidants that support heart health. Peanuts, again, a good source of protein. And excellent for satiety, actually great source of biotin and folate. And this foxnut, guys, it's low in calories and high in protein, great for snacking and weight balance, rich in calcium, good for bones and joints. All you have to do is prepare a tadka. I used mustard oil. You can use avocado oil, or even a little bit of ghee is also fine. Just put some cumin and this little bit of curry patta and mustard seeds, and then just mix it in the roasted mixture, and there you go. It's absolutely easy to make. It's guilt free, and then you can eat not like a good quantity, but eat like a snack. Coconut, again, it's also good, guys. Excellent source of healthy fat, promotes gut microbiome health, supports skin and hair health. And I hope you're going to try this recipe. Cashews are really good, contain magnesium and copper, great source of plant protein again. So, and even I use the puffed rice, which is also low in calorie and easy to digest. So I hope you'll definitely try this recipe. So today the superfood of the day is goji berry, guys. Let's wrap up with today's superfood, which is goji berry. These are tiny but powerful, rich in antioxidants, especially zeaxanthin, which is great for your eyes, high in vitamin C. It's a super food. Always make sure to soak them before you eat. I try to soak them overnight. It also supports your immune function, gives your skin a glow, and even you have good mood. High in vitamin C, iron, and fiber. Soaking enhances basically absorption and makes them gentler. It's good for the digestion then. So that's day two. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a habit. Tag a friend who needs a wellness boost, guys. See you tomorrow with more easy habits and healing foods. Till then, stay grounded, stay nourished. See ya.